fruits and vegetables, and I am bored out of my mind.
Hi guys, so today is Vlogmas day 2. I'm starting it a little bit late because I got stuck editing yesterday's video. Today's going to be a really casual day, to be honest. I just have to do a few things in the house. I need to do laundry. Don't know if I'll be doing it, but since I'm doing a few things around the house, I figured why not do a face mask. Today I'm using the Peter Thomas Roth 24K Gold Mask, one of my top favorites from them. It feels super luxurious and hydrating on the skin. Yesterday was pretty fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the first day. It was a little bit random, but to be honest, expect a lot of that because I don't really have much planned for Vlogmas. I mentioned on IG story that I wanted to do Vlogmas every week, but I think for the first week of Vlogmas, I'm going to post every single day, even though I mean today, again, I'm not doing much, but I guess you're gonna see a typical day in my life in the house. I also want to do my jewelry thing today, so maybe I can show you that. I mentioned I also need to do laundry, don't know, and clean my brushes, which I can show you guys how I clean my brushes, how I display them, and all that stuff, like the things that I use to clean the brushes, because it has made my life a lot easier, I feel. I'm low-key already getting hungry, so I might be making a quesadilla because that's just quick and easy. Alrighty, we're done with the mask. Honestly, top 5. And then later on, I'll show you guys my favorite moisturizer that I've been using recently, also from Peter Thomas Roth. I'm going to be making a quesadilla a la dominicana, you could say, because it's gonna have salami. I really love salami. Pink sauce, queso de papa, of course, salami. This is probably the worst guayo right now, but it's the quickest one that I could use. And let's not forget oh boy. Okay, yep, that happened. Jugo, plastic cup, and plastic plate. Fun fact, when I'm alone, I always use plastic plates and plastic cups because ain't nobody got time to be fregando all the time. And voila. There you have it. Probably doesn't look the tastiest, but I love it. I'm not going to watch The Princess Switch because I've had it on my to-watch list for the longest.
Photo and our recipe for the Christmas castle cake.
And
I ended up putting the movie on pause because I really want this to be a productive day, and it's already 5 o'clock, so I'm going to remove my face mask right now. My skin feels so soft every time I use that face mask, but for moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Rose Stem Cell Cream, also from Peter Thomas Roth. Okay. My hands are so slippery right now, I can't even open this. Alright, I think I'm going to end up doing my laundry because if I keep putting it aside, I'm not going to do it. So I basically do 3 piles: color, jeans and black, and white. By the way, I love this laundry bag that I got from Amazon. I'll definitely be making like my top favorite house things that I've gotten from Amazon because I've gotten so many things that I absolutely love. I also even use it to bring my laundry since it does have some wheels, so I'll be linking it down below for you guys. If you're wondering, this is what I'm wearing: loose hoodie, jeans, combat boots, hat, laundry, keys. I'm back. I didn't really film much because there were a lot of people, but I'm going to put the detergents away, as you can see, and wash these dishes real quick. Quick organizing hack: I ended up taking this container that I bought from Marshall's. I think it's to put either cereal or rice in here, but I ended up putting my detergent in here, and it already comes with a measuring cup, which comes quite in handy when doing your laundry. That's what it looks like. I think they had different sizes, but I took this one, so you can see. Really like it. The struggle to open this up is so real. Oh my god, I can't. Oh, wow. All right, 30 minutes later. Another apartment hack. I'm pretty sure everyone uses these or knows about them, but it's using microfiber towels like these to dry up your, forgot how to talk, but plates and stuff, you know what I mean. This does miracles and it's just so quick and easy. It's also a lot better when it comes to absorbing water, and you can reuse them and wash them, which I have like 3 already washing downstairs. Today is like such a bummy day, but I'm back from doing laundry. I have to finish folding some of the clothes. All right, so now I'm just going to put things away. I've been waiting for this little moment for some time now. This is the knockoff version of the Roomba. I got it on Cyber Monday, I think. I'm just hoping it's just as good because it was still pretty expensive. I think it was like 150 or 180, but the reviews were really good. Oh my god. Okay, wow. Let's do this. This looks pretty legit. We have a start guide right here. And then the actual debot. Oh god. Oh wow. This is so cool. Oh, it has an actual remote control. How crazy. I wonder if it's actually like vacuuming. All right, so I decided to stop it just to see how much it truly cleaned. I don't know if you guys could see that right now. That's pretty nasty, but it is actually cleaning my apartment. We're turning you on again, my friend. Sorry. Anyways, I'm going to just watch some Netflix for the rest of the night, have some dinner. I was going to clean my brushes, but I'm actually really tired, so that's probably gonna be tomorrow. If you're interested on seeing how I clean my brushes, let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas, even though today was a pretty chill day, just doing some chores around the house. Most of my days are going to be like this, just warning you guys. But I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.